Oh, halo teman-teman, balik lagi di channel ini, channel Algoro. Dan kali ini kita akan menyelesaikan atau melanjutkan kembali perjalanan kita untuk mendapatkan Genshin Impact. Nah, semoga kita tetap diberkahi, tetap diberikan berkah dari Tuhan, supaya apapun yang kita lakukan bisa dapat berjalan dengan lancar ya teman-teman. So, tanpa basa-basi lagi, kita langsung aja nyelesain ini. Oke? So guys, kalau kalian suka dengan video yang seperti ini, please subscribe channel ini, komen apa kurangnya dari channel ini, kurang videonya gimana, atau apakah pembahasan gue kurang. Dan juga please like, comment, subscribe, oke? Agar channel ini berkembang dan gue bisa main game yang lainnya lagi. Cuma ya gue masih berusaha terus. Dan game yang pertama yang akan gue mainin memang Genshin Impact ini. Oke? So terakhir itu kita habis nyelesain karakter story questnya Lisa ya. Jadi habis selesai story karakter Lisa, kita sudah tidak ada lagi kecuali yang ini harus rank 26 dan gue belum rank 26. So kita akan lanjut lagi ke Archon Quest. Oke, jadi ini adalah quest yang utamanya, yang dimana kalau memang mau tamat kita harus mainin Archon Quest ini. So Archon Quest itu terakhir itu kalau nggak salah kita nge-retrieve kembali ya Holy Lyre der Himmel. Itu kayak harpa yang digunakan untuk melawan Storm Terror nantinya. Nah, Storm Terror itu apa teman-teman? Storm Terror itu adalah naga. Tadinya dia itu adalah penjaganya monster, tetapi dia itu sepertinya korup, atau bisa kita bilang dia itu bukan dirinya dia lagi, sehingga kita ingin bantuin atau melawan si Storm Terror ini. So, kita langsung main aja. Dan ini pasti dialognya agak panjang. Semoga kalian suka ya. Combat, apart from absorbing. Okay.
Welcome back! This is the Holy Lyre! You managed to retrieve it! The pattern of flowing wind carved on the rosewood, and the strings still feel cool to the touch, too! The memories.
Agak gedein gitu.
What do you think, Venti? Can you summon Dvalin?
Although this lyre is the real thing, I doubt that it's going to work. As you can see, the lyre has been through 1,000 years of history. Its animal power has run dry. In this condition, you couldn't play music fit for even Diluc's tavern with it.
Bards fight to get on the stage of my tavern. Don't make assumptions.
Is that really important right now, Master Diluc? And you! Did you just borrow the Holy Lyre to play music for drunkards to hear? What do you mean?
Anyway, we won't be able to call Dvalin with it. The lyre itself is fine, but the strings... You're up, Outlander. Relax, it's not broken. It's just that the intensity of its animo power has greatly diminished. Do you still have Dvalin's teardrop crystal with you? Great! Try to use it on the Holy Lyre. It worked as expected.
This youthful glow.
Praising yourself? Really?
I was talking about the Holy Lyre.
Thanks to our traveler friend having purified the crystal, the Holy Lyre won't continue to lose power. That said, its power is far from replenished. It'd be great if we could get more tears.
How can we gather more?
I can surmise that Dvalin will already be crying. Suffering alone in some deserted place.
Dvalin.
Poor baby.
This is not something that an honorary knight can accomplish alone. I will mobilize the rest of the knights to assist. When you get the teardrop crystal, please let our honorary knight perform the purification process.
Heroes supporting each other and setting out on a journey together. How exciting! Let me come up with a song for you.
Is that all you're going to do? Just sing?
Wouldn't be much of a bard if I didn't, now would I?
You're so cheeky. You deserve an ugly nickname. Oh, Paimon knows. From now on, you'll be known as Tone Deaf Bard.
This search reminds me of a feud I once had with the Fatui. 6 months ago, a thief stole treasure from the East Temple of the Four Winds.
Whoa, what was it? A cup used by Barbados?
No. Although if such a thing existed, it would be very valuable. Among all the relics they managed to dig up, one particular object was very rare. It was a vial which contained the Animo god's breath.
Relics come in every shape and form, huh?
Anyone with an eye for fine art would like to add this relic to their collection. Once word got out, the Fatui started trying to seek it out as well. They've made tons of counterfeits that can be found everywhere.
Can't give up.
In response, I just bought... I've bought more than 2,000 fakes to date, and the Fatui are yet to find the real one.
Whoa, you guys are insane. So it means the real one must be out there somewhere on the black market, right? Paimon will give you a discount on them if she finds any, because Paimon's just great like that.
Sure, you can try to find the real one. I'll take what you find, even if they're fake. Once you're done, find me at the winery. I'll trade you a beer for every 20 you find.
Oke, sudah. So, dialognya emang panjang. Tapi untuk mempersingkat waktu, kita langsung teleport aja ke sini. Terus nanti kita langsung ke tujuan utamanya, quest itu. Jadi kita harus ngumpulin teardrop crystal. Itu adalah kristal yang diturunkan saat si Storm Terror Duvalin nangis. Ini karena dia korup nih teman-teman. Karena dia korup, jadi dia nurunin, dia ngeluarin air mata. Nah, air matanya itu lah yang berubah jadi teardrop crystal. So, apa itu Storm Terror itu sebenarnya penjaga monster. Jadi penjaga monsternya ada 4 sebenarnya. Ini ada apa lagi? Kalau mereka nge-damage ke gua, baru gua lawan. Tapi kalau tidak, kita biarkan saja. Karena gua tidak lihat ada chest atau apapun itu di sini. Jadi kita langsung aja. Woi, santai bos. Yang kayaknya ini perlu dilawan.
You're in for a little shock.
Sih? Karakter gue kemarin tuh udah gue mainin sedikit, jadi memang udah mentok lah kalau misalkan di level yang ini. Oh, kita langsung sama Druid Guards lagi ya. Defeat the monster guarding the ruin to complete the challenge escape.
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
Woi, santai bos. Kenapa?
Rain outlines your fate.
With the wind!
Body and mind.
Oke. Gue agak sedikit, tapi gue rasakan gue.
As a good knight should. I must leave no stone unturned. Someone needs assistance. Know my sword. Witness the power of Gugwa.
Shield gue hilang. Oke, gue beradu, tapi gue udah warna putihnya sih cuy ya.
Windblade!
Come a little closer.
Oke, ngambil Chaos Device. Chaos Device itu gunanya untuk kita upgrade karakter-karakter kita.
What do you think?
Paimon didn't think we'd find the volunteers in a place like this.
As knights, we are taught to hone our investigative skills.
Wow, very impressive.
In my experience, the secret to finding what you are looking for is to never look for it in the first place. Don't think too much about it and don't search too hard. And before you know it, what you're looking for will appear right before your very eyes.
What?
Wah, tinggi banget.
Don't worry about it too much. The more flustered you become, the less likely you are to find it. Pay attention to what you see in your peripheral vision, and you might just stumble upon what you're looking for.
I don't know. It doesn't sound like that would work.
No, seriously, it does though. In fact, it's how I used to find my tortoise whenever he went missing.
Wait! You had a pet tortoise?
Yes, why? Something wrong, Paimon?
No, it's, well, just surprising is all.
Why?
Paimon can't imagine Jean having a pet tortoise. Surely you find it hard to imagine too, Master Diluc.
No, I don't. I had one too when I was a kid. What's so strange about it?
What? You too?
Jangan-jangan Diluc sama Jin ini ternyata kakak adik ya. Soalnya mereka punya turtle, tortoise ya, sebagai pet. Ntar ya guys,
Leave it all to me.
buat di chest. Pokoknya seperti biasa, motor kita. Kalau udah chest, kita shooting supaya ini apa sih? Seeds of Stories brought by wind and cultivated by time. Supaya kita bisa ngumpulin banyak Paimoge untuk kita gacha. Atau selain itu,
Wonderful.
kita juga bisa pakai itu untuk upgrade karakter kita. Kita persingkat waktu. Wah, itu belum gua buka. Tapi kita ada di sini, kita teleport ke sini dulu. So, sebenarnya game Genshin 2 adalah game gacha, tetapi bisa dimainin tanpa menggacha ya, maksudnya tanpa kita top up dan kawan-kawan. Tapi kalau memang ada rezeki tambahan, kalau misalkan bisa gue top up, nanti kita top up ya. Ke gacha bareng-bareng, kira-kira gue dapat karakter-karakter bagus atau tidak. Tapi support kalian nih yang kita butuh nih, gue butuh support kalian supaya channel ini dapat berkembang lagi, bisa lebih besar lagi, gue bisa hal yang lainnya. So please gengs, kalau kalian suka dengan video seperti ini, subscribe langsung, komen, dan juga jangan lupa like video-video seperti ini. Kira-kira gue ada key, belum ada key-nya. Dan itu masih kesimpan kayak gue belum bisa jalan gitu ya. Ini ada apa namanya, teleport waypoint, kita buka dulu sebelum kita lanjut. Kenapa harus kita buka? Supaya kita bisa teleportasi nih guys. Jadi mempersingkat waktu deh. Aku suka banget Manuel. Dia support dan juga healer. Jadi memang pure support. Damage, kalau menurut gue juga udah cukup banget. Sih, dapat chest lagi. Kumpulin apa yang kita bisa terus. Itu ada dua ya sebenarnya. Gue dulu. Oke. Kenapa yang itu dulu? Karena itu ada silly banyak. Karena nanti kita butuh. Dan itu ada di atas. Kira-kira gue bisa manjat dulu nggak ya? Bentar ya. Ingat, 100% kita harus looting. Nggak bisa. Oke. Next time kita itu kayaknya kita harus ngelepasin barrier itu dulu. Supaya nanti kita bisa ngambil si Pyroculus namanya. Oculus. Apa sih?
You're in for a little shock.
Bisa yang jadi gede.
Blitz.
Ini yang dari tadi.
Come a little closer.
Woi,
Hah?
sebisanya ya. Gak apa-apa, Lisa karakter kita bisa kita heal pakai apa. Oke, open chest dulu. So kita harus lawan para cecung ini. Tenang bos, kasurku bagus.
Try not to enjoy this too much. You're in for a little shock. You've been a naughty boy.
Yang ini fokus dulu.
Come a little closer.
Hei, bagus. Kasurku bagus bos. Yang menyebalkan.
Rain. Mine's your fate. Time to clean up. I must leave no stone.
Wind blade.
Berarti gue harus switch karakter dulu ke Amber.
A reward on the road.
Itu sebenarnya buka apa sih? Kita coba, karena kita nggak buka sesuatu, kita switch dulu ke Amber. Oh, ternyata teka-teki. Gue harus nyari yang kayak gini lagi supaya gue bisa. Oh, itu ada Kirus di situ ya.
Opening a chest is like unwrapping a gift. I'll race you there.
Tuh teman-teman, gue ngeliat sesuatu dari sana. Kita ambil itu dulu, terus lanjut lagi. Kita ganti ini dulu. Karena yang utama tuh ini. Oke. Gue mikir gue serang ambil lagi ya. Pokoknya looting 100%. Itu moto dari channel ini. Kalau main game-game kayak gini looting 100% ya. Dan disitu bisa ya? Coba ya. Coba aja gue bisa punya karakter yang bisa lanjut. Oke, ada slime di situ. Pas banget. Wait.
Disappear. Yeah.
Come a little closer.
Steady as stone.
Untuk kill. Ya kenapa gue naik sini karena Oculus itu di atas. Soalnya dia itu yang mau gue ambil. Dan kalau dari sana gak akan mungkin bisa. Dan gue juga gak bisa mungkin manjat. Kenapa? Karena dia terlalu curam. So kita harus gunain segala yang bisa kita gunain untuk ambil itu. Oke, kita harus ke sana. Dia healer nih, gue suka banget ya masing-masing elemen. Kenapa ya? Silly lagi ya. Dan jujur, prolognya ini agak panjang ya sebenarnya. Kalau menurut gue sih panjang. Side questnya juga panjang. Kayak gue butuh 2 CD kan. Ini ada satu lagi tuh di sini. Yuk kita cari sambil main. Untuk sekarang kita selesaiin questnya dulu. Setelah kita lanjutin lagi. Oke, ada Eye of Storm. Kita hindarin mereka. Hidden teardrop in the heart of the jungle. Kita butuh listrik sama es. Kayaknya Xingqiu-nya kita cabutin, kita taruh sih.
Here, let me help you.
Gas, kita gas ya. So, gimana teman-teman? Kalau kalian mau main game ini, kalian langsung download aja game ini gratis. Gue mainin ini di Android, Xiaomi Mi Pad 6. Kalian bisa main di PS4, PS5, Xbox X atau S, dan itu baru keluar di bulan ini, Xbox X atau S. Dan juga kalau kalian main di laptop di komputer juga bisa. Karena aslinya game ini game oke, sampai bos. Ada karena saya game yang kalian versi Android ini lebih FPS sih sebenarnya. Cuman dikompres untuk bisa mainin di Android. Nah versi Android ini itu sama dengan versi
Freeze!
yang ada di iOS juga nih teman-teman.
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
Just. Udah. Oh nggak bisa ya, harus lanjut dari sini ternyata. Pakai Noel? Dan
Leave it all to me.
tuh gengs, penggunaan dari Noel. Udah.
Dodge this!
Ambil lagi. Pokoknya apapun yang bisa kita ambil, kita lewatin terus.
Don't get frostbite! Freeze! Ha! Ha!
I must leave no stone unturned.
Windblade!
Ntar ya, gengs. Sorry gue agak putus sedikit. Udah. Ini nggak mati, wah. Oke, ada angin yang bisa bikin kita terbang. Sepertinya kita harus naik ke atas. Dan ada chest juga ya. Coba tujuan gue utama gue adalah chest. Pokoknya apapun, looting 100%. Jangan lupa ya teman-teman. Looting 100%. Devi agak lambat ya. Oke, dia sepertinya teka-teki sedikit ini. keren gitu ya. Gue tuh sangat suka sama grafik Genshin ya. Ini untuk ukuran game Android kan super keren banget. Gue tuh sampai bingung gitu. Banyak orang rekomendasiin ke gue, kenapa? Karena jalan ceritanya tuh bagus. Gue sangat suka dengan game-game yang jalan ceritanya bagus.
Someone needs assistance.
Kita kasih.
With the wind!
As a good knight should.
Alot banget, gila.
I'll catch up.
Ini nyebelin ya. Ini harus kita ini.
Come a little closer.
Dia imun sama elektro
Steady
ya.
as
Jadi
stone.
makanya yang sama elektro aja.
Yeah.
Sebenarnya perlu api sih. Kalau elektro itu lemah sama api. Oke. Seharusnya gue mesti simple ya.
Oh, so sorry.
Let's spark things up a little. Come a little closer.
Leave it out to me.
Aduh. Kita ambil ini dulu guys. Kok gue lapar ya jam-jam segini. Kalian pernah nggak sih lapar gak tengah malam? Lapar banget rasanya. Cuman kalau mau makan rasanya tuh kayak berdosa banget. Tapi gue lapar banget gue rasanya sekarang.
We're done gathering. That was hard.
It's too early to relax. We're still not done with Storm Terror. Besides, the Fatui could also be planning something.
Hey, Diluc. I heard that the Fatui have recently proclaimed you persona non grata.
What an honor. Nobody was ever proclaimed persona grata by the Fatui anyway.
The Fatui? The diplomatic delegation from Sneznaya? What have they got against Master Diluc?
The Fatui are a problem not only for the Knights, they also present a real threat to the whole of Mondstadt. And when it comes to threats against Mondstadt, Diluc is...
That's enough, Jean. You Knights are subject to too many restrictions. You can't directly confront this so-called diplomatic scum. Personally, I despise them. If I were to choose between eating a cryo slime alive or joining the Fatui, I'd prefer to be crushed to death by a meteorite.
Jeez, your wording is so very dramatic.
Oke. Sepertinya Diluc ini punya masa lalu dengan Mondstadt. Jadi dia itu memang pengennya itu melindungi Mondstadt tapi tidak dari The Knight of Favenius. Jadi kesan itu kayak dia nggak suka dengan Knight of Favenius, tapi aslinya juga dia itu super melindungi Mondstadt juga sih. Kita ke downwinder ya sih. Ntar ya. Di belakang ada yang nyebelin. Masih prolog act 2 Crystal Tears, kita ke downwinder sekarang. Kita di State of the Seven ini teleport untuk mempersingkat waktu nih. Selain itu juga dari Oculus yang kita kumpulin, kita worship statue ini agar si stamina kita. Jadi kayak gitu tuh gengs caranya untuk nambahin stamina di Genshin Impact. Walkthrough ini juga berguna nih bagi kalian-kalian yang kayak mau tips and trick dan kawan-kawan. Dan gue pun juga butuh tips and trick dari kalian. So, jika kalian memang punya tips and trick dan memang udah pernah main dan bisa memberitahu, please comment. Nanti gue akan coba dengan tips and trick kalian Dan juga jangan lupa juga like video ini. Gue pengen jadi salah satu YouTuber nomor 1 nih. Yang pertama di Indonesia nyelesain ini, Genshin Impact. Makanya gue bikin video tentang ini. So, kita lanjutin dulu ya questnya.
Woohoo! Dvalin Protection Squad, assemble!
Let's put our crystals together. Oh, the color of these crystals looks muddy. Dvalin, you're going through so much pain. Let's start purifying these crystals first. Please, Traveler.
It is hard to believe such a thing is possible until you've seen it with your own eyes.
Interesting. It's like filtering wine. The process is refreshing.
I think we should have enough tears now. So next we... use the crystals on the Holy Lyre like last time.
It worked!
It seems completely different from before.
The Lyre's animo power seems fully restored. We should be able to use it now. It's all thanks to you.
Now, where should we summon Storm Terror? It must be away from the city, else there will be casualties should we fail. Perhaps here at the winery?
If the winery was destroyed, it's not something I couldn't eventually fix. But I'd still rather not go through the hassle.
The wind that blows at sea or in high places should be able to carry a bard's words far away. It's never going to work if the air is too dry or suffocating.
Paimon understands sea or high places, right? Then the best location to play the lyre would be...
If you go east from Starfell Lake, there are mountains south of the beach.
Oh, you mean that beach you were snoring away on and Paimon had to wake you?
If you head to where the cliff juts out, that place is known as Star Snatch Cliff. What do you think, Bard? Meets the requirements, no?
Let me think. Star Snatch Cliff. All right, let's do it there.
Very well. Then let's meet at Star Snatch Cliff when we're ready. Please don't be late.
Yes, ma'am!
Sorry. I didn't mean to...
Kita langsung OTW ke Star Snatch Cliff. So, di mana Star Snatch Cliff? Itu ada di sini. Cuman dia ini kelihatannya kayak di atas ya, jadi kita teleportnya ke sini aja. Oke. Nah, setelah teleport dan kita manjat, kita naik. Terus kita mainin di quest itu. Udah gue bilang kan kayak ini tuh tinggi. Gak tau ya tadi kita bisa nyampe sana apa enggak ya. Semoga sampai, gak tau sampai sih. Cuma harus pelan-pelan. Jadi gue bisa kenapa ini tinggi. Terus dari kontur di mapnya itu tuh kalian bisa lihat kan kayak ada warna gelap, ada warna yang terang. Semakin terang itu berarti semakin tinggi. Teman-teman. So itu tips and tricks dari gue. Kayak tuh di sana tuh kayak ada temple gitu ya. Terus kepala gue dia tuh langitnya si Genshin ini apa mana ya? Kelihatannya kayak ujung-ujung itu kelihatan semua tuh monster dari sana monster dari sini. Ini keren banget semua.
Someone needs assistance.
Dan gue melihat ada yang namanya ada Oculusnya. Dan kita bisa ambil Oculusnya. Let's see. Oculusnya warnanya. Gue ada di atasnya persis. Apakah ada di atas ini? Tidak ada. Selalu dimana dia? Oke. Oh, Anemoculus. atau masih jauh banget, itu energi gue tuh kayak keisinya tuh sedikit banget gitu. Ini apa ya, Cecilia, kita ambil aja. Yuk, gue belum pernah lihat Cecilia itu. Kita ambil aja. Kayaknya bakal ada sunrise di depan-depan. Coba lihat dulu ya. Penasaran sih. Jadi kayak ada gunung tinggi itu di situ. Kayak cakep tapi kayak keren banget. Itu ada challenge sih banget. Ya matahari nggak kelihatan. Apa mati habis ini ya? Ini itu apa tuh di depan kita? Nggak ada apa-apa. Tapi kalian bisa lihat kan? Wih, gila langitnya. Bagus banget coy. Bisa foto gak sih? Coba gue bisa foto tidak. Survey, community, wish, special event. Gak ada kamera ya? Oh ini dia.
You seem tired. Would you like some tea? I'll brew you some. Do you take sugar? 1 cube or 2?
Oke. Wih keren banget coy. Coba kita. Sorry. Karakternya kayak gini. Ini cuy. Begini ya. Asik. Oke. Cakep banget. Bayangin kan? Itu apa ya? Gue penasaran jadi ya kayak misalnya. Cuman kita fokus dulu ke apa namanya? Ke questnya dulu. Keren sih. Sumpah kayak game-game sekarang tuh advance banget. Terlalu keren gitu ya. Gue kayak berasa tua banget tuh rasanya.
Everyone is finally here.
What a view!
Lovely for a fated reunion, isn't it? Well, we must be prepared for a fight.
Regardless of the outcome, things finally seem to be taking a turn for the better. Mondstadt has really been going through so much recently.
In the end, the solution to our problem was as simple as a traveler in a song. I suppose the Knights of Favonius may have played a part in it too.
Oh, we get it, Master Diluc. Everyone, please step aside. I, the best wandering bard of the mortal world, shall begin my performance with the Holy Lyre.
What has been done cannot be undone.
Then why do I see sadness in your eyes? Sadness that speaks of your yearning for this song.
They are communicating. Huh?
No! Don't get bored!
Do not be fooled by him, dear dragon. He left you to rot alone. Now he attempts to deceive you once more.
Beatles!
Let your wrath fester. Mondstadt has already turned its back on you.
You were planning this all along to have me slain by them!
No, listen to me!
The time has come for the dragon to serve its true master. While you beware your pathetic selves, watch the world tremble with fear.
Dvalin.
Venti, please, be careful.
You've known my true identity for some time now, haven't you, Jean? Though, I thank you for continuing to use the name Venti.
How's the Holy Lyre? Can it still be played, or does it need to be repaired?
Unfortunately, I think it's beyond repair.
No. We should make that Abyss Mage pay first. If we don't fight the evil at its source, then we can't save Dvalin at all.
In which case, I shall call upon Outrider Amber to track it down.
No need.
Why is that?
I eradicated one not long ago, in one of the Four Winds temples.
What? When?
If you want to track those monsters down, then I'll seek answers from my contacts. I've got other means for getting the job done.
Diluc. Though he dislikes the Knights of Favonius, he protects Mondstadt in his own way.
Oh? Why does our little Paimon sound so doting all of a sudden?
Wait for my word. I'll be sure to let the Abyss Order know that their blatant disregard for Mondstadt will not go unpunished.
Your Highness, your humble servant returns. When your homeland returns to this world, we shall revel in its glory.
Oke, prolog sudah selesai. Kita butuh adventure rank 18. Oke, so gua akan naikin dulu adventure rank gua sampai ke adventure rank 18 kan. Tetep gua ngerasa ini masih bagus banget, kayak gamenya tuh keren gitu rasanya. So, kalian udah tahu kan, jadi memang si Diluc itu punya cara sendiri untuk menyelamatkan Mondstadt. Dan Storm Terror itu ternyata dia dikorup oleh Abyss Mage. Dan lebih lucunya lagi, saudari yang kita cari-cari tadi muncul ya, dan disebut sebagai Your Highness. Itu masih terlalu banyak yang harus kita pecahkan. Dan gue berharap kalian tetap setia untuk menonton ini, tetap setia untuk mendukung channel ini ya teman-teman. So, jika kalian suka dengan video ini, please comment, please like, subscribe dengan channel ini agar channel ini berkembang. Selain itu, kalau kalian punya tips and trick agar gue bisa bermain Genshin dengan lebih baik lagi, kalau kalian pro player dalam Genshin, please komen di video-video ini. Dan juga ini gue akan akhirin videonya di sini. Semoga kalian tetap setia dan kalian tunggu kesempatan selanjutnya. Oke, bye bye. Terima kasih ya.